Hello, I'm Paul Gorrie from the Navigator Network, current holder of the Australian Firm of the Year with Now Infinity. I thought I would share with you a recent experience I had with the tax office in a fringe benefit audit situation and the use of strategic information during that audit process and the subsequent face-to-face meeting with the tax office. During the course of the audit in our office for one of our clients, the tax officers produced a list of all employees' names and, more importantly, their gross income, the tax deducted and the allowances that each employee received. More strategically, however, was from our client's point of view, was how much super each employee was entitled to and when the employer had to pay the super for each staff member. It soon became apparent that the employer had not paid all the super their staff were entitled to, nor had they paid their super on time. The tax officer caught this employer out and there was nothing we could do apart from rectifying the super. However, this is going to be a costly exercise for our client because the super will not be a tax deduction. Additionally, during the audit, the tax office had obtained a register of all motor vehicles owned by this company. Luckily, we had dealt with the cars correctly. So the takeout here is to realise that the tax office are now starting to use the information they have access to in a much more strategic way to ensure that taxpayers are meeting their obligations. In the case with the super for our client, they hadn't paid the 9.5% super on their staff wages, nor had they paid those super amounts by the 28th day after the end of each quarter. So it is very important to make sure you're meeting all your obligations in a timely fashion and lodging the forms the tax office require on time. The tax office have the resources now and are using those resources to make sure you are meeting all your obligations. If you're unsure what all your obligations are in relation to employing staff, keeping business records and lodging the tax office form required, please call out or email our office.